We have a new family member.
Why you not answer your phone? That's like the most expensive car of the car park. You know that some people eat Snickers upside down? Oh, wow. Oh no. MR2. Look at the plates. ZQ832 and ZO, which basically stands for 20,832 meters of the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Good morning, everyone. From another vlog. I'm a bit tired. I slept very little, but I'm full of excitement because we have lots of cool stuff going on, and I also managed to stop by ED to pick up some sandwich with roast beef. They always make them so fresh and nice. And then for the OGs, we have chocolate croissant. In other news, it is light rain at T13. Yes, it's raining slightly. I'm still hoping to do some dry laps. Don't have much scheduled today. Today's, by the way, Thursday, the day of German unity. Anyway, let's hop in Vulcan Alpha, see what's happening. To be honest, when it comes to cars inside, not much, because right now we're in a very big preparation stage for next year. And that puts like a very big smile on my face just by thinking of it. And we have a couple of wings coming up next week for clients, so we will be showing you those in the coming days. But yeah, let's hop in because I have a couple of like cool meetings to do. It's already evening because I've been really doing lots of stuff, and now we have 1 minute left until the track closes. So I decided, you know what, let's go do some car spotting of the cars that are coming off the track. Hey, pretty.
Hello.
The ticket office is already closed, so let's see what we can find. The last cars are coming off the track. It's going to be the first like night car spotting session of the year. Not that we had many car spotting sessions in general.
Slovenia.
Oh, okay. Oh no, that doesn't sound right. The Miata convertible with no roof. It's definitely type of weather for it right now. Last week was the last opportunity to do any kind of night laps, you could call it, because from now, Doggo. Well, also Porsche, but also Doggo. What I want to say, before the track was open until 7:30 and it was getting dark also shortly after. Now it's open until 7, so this means it's closing just before nighttime. Daytime? Nighttime. Miata, hello. And then, where is Jennifer? The pink Puma.
Alright, my new shitbox car.
Why is it not pink? Come on.
It is still not pink.
Ah, okay, okay. So what's done to it? You have carbon fiber, so that's cool.
From yesterday until today,
Yeah?
semi-slicks.
Oh, nice. Spicy.
Tomorrow you will see version 3.
Ah, okay. What's that gonna be then?
You will see it tomorrow.
We should do a lap, definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow or the day after. You for the weekend, right?
Okay.
Cool.
Be cool.
See you then. Good seeing you, man.
Hello. Hello, Misha.
Wie geht's dir? Hey, good to see you. Good to see you. E34 M5 that we did a lap with last year or even 2 years ago. Yes, look at that. But it's too dark purple. It needs to be lighter purple. Do you remember this car?
Oh, yes.
That's the one.
Oh.
Hey, where's the 997?
It's coming next year.
Next year, I thought next weekend. Ah, sad. Yes, yeah.
Looks good.
With the bigger wing, not ours though. Ah, that's cool.
Looks nice.
Good seeing it being used. It went to a new owner. You know who bought the car?
No, I saw.
Yeah,
Okay.
Craig.
Nice. Nice.
At least I see him driving it all the time, so. Why you not answer your phone?
Because I was busy.
Busy with what? Upsetting people.
Driving a lot of laps.
You have Porsche?
No.
Okay, then go. Bye. Hey. Oh, that looks nice. Anyway, I really want to see the golden Miata. That's like the most expensive car of the car park.
Yeah, it's 24
Alright then.
Please tell me this is on TikTok.
Well, on YouTube it's even better. Right on.
The rap's been weighing me down.
Oh
That's
wow,
why I'm so slow.
that's actually cool.
Let's stick this back on first.
Ah, yeah. That's not that aerodynamic. Oh, it's.
Come in here.
Do I want to?
Drive it if you want.
Oh. I mean, it's 2024. Whatever floats your boat, guys. Oh, that's cool, actually. That's nice.
Amazing. I love it.
Look what the gear shift it has. Stick shift.
Why so small?
That's small.
Yeah.
All right, that's what she said.
That's not my confidence.
Alright, let's check out some more cars there, babe. Hey, you.
You asshole. What you doing? We go now to La Lanterna because of Alex's birthday.
Ah, cool.
Nice.
You come with us?
No,
He needs to work.
I need to work. I need to edit this video. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'll let the girls do the girl thing. GT4 RS. Oh, with a cage inside. Nice. And 140. Lots of M2s and M4s. Oh, look at that. EVA 10. Very, very pretty. Oh, wow. Look. Huh. Is that Daniel's new car? Because I remember the plate from a R34. Cosmos wheels as well. But it's not an R34, obviously it's an NSX. And after driving NSX last week, I gotten very sad because I looked at how much they cost. 100 grand or more. It makes me sad. Remember back in the... Oh, look at that. Remember back in the days when they were like 30,000 or so and people were saying that people that are selling those are crazy and they shouldn't be worth 30 grand. Awesome, thank you. Nice to meet you. Fancy fenders, M2 Seat, another Ciaz, Megane RS 997, Vika's car over there, and we're back at where we started.
Yeah,
good to see you.
How
are you? Good, you?
Fine,
Long time no see.
Yeah, sure.
Like
But,
6-7 years?
No, 5 years, but you are not at the Nürburgring Drift Cup anymore.
No. I know, I should. The wing is upside down. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, how you say?
Gear stick, shifter.
Yeah.
Stick, gear stick. Explain it.
No.
Say it.
No, say it.
No, explain.
No, say
I wanna do make explain.
A sex toy.
What was
Yes.
We say a sex toy.
Sex toy. A dildo.
Yeah.
Yes.
And every time. Why not?
Cut! Maggie!
You know,
You're a little bit red.
we have a guy in the drifting, and he have a big black cock as a fly-off. And
Yeah.
we say every time when I want to catch the fly-off, it's the best, and you have something grippy. So because of that, you have the big black.
That's
You-
how
you-
you make it. Like,
You know?
or do it properly or don't do
You know
it.
him already, Niels Visser.
Yeah, you know that some people eat Snickers upside down?
Sure.
Because they love the veiny texture on their tongue, followed by nuts.
You said, come on, really?
On that note. Stage 20 remap. Bosch Motorsport ABS for the winter. This is shitbox anyway, but... But we have a new family member and his name is Blue. Hello. Ah, cheese tax. Sit. Yes.
Eso es.
How about a paw? Sit. Sit. Yes.
Do you just run around with cheese in your pocket?
Paw?
Okay.
I was running around with chicken, with boiled chicken in my pocket. Paw.
The new life.
Yeah.
Where's my car keys? I got
Sit. Ah, you're not afraid of a big angry E36. Or maybe E36 is not that angry. We still need to introduce you to Pancake.
And that's gonna be great.
Yeah. Thanks for... Oh, okay. Thanks for chicken heart delivery. Is that gonna be memeable?